Welcome to the tutorial for your new Better Change scheduling app. To use the app, first you must download it on Android in the Google Play Store or on iPhone in the App Store. You can search it and download it for free by putting in the words Better Change. You'll see two different apps come up in your search. The top one being the Better Change scheduling app, the bottom one being for our Boss Operations module. For now, we'll download the scheduling app and open it. You can open it in the store or do it by pressing the icon on your home screen. Your manager should have sent you by now your login credentials via email. I'm going to use those credentials to log into my app. Once you get into your app, you'll notice your schedule has not yet been filled out. Managers haven't scheduled you for shifts, nor have you put in your availability. The first thing I'm going to do is click on the top left menu bar and go down to Settings. Under Settings, I'm going to make sure Enable All is checked on to where any important message is sent to me from my management gives me a notification. I'm going to go back into the menu bar and submit my availability. In your availability, you will submit the days you can and can't work based around things like your class schedule or other jobs. To submit your availability per day, go ahead and click on the day. Click what times you can and you can start, what times you can finish. If you would like to request a day off, you request a day off, but I'm going to put a shift in to make this easy. If you see the red that's been requested off, I'm going to put in another shift to make it easy for my management again. Once you submit your availability, it'll go to your manager. Your manager will then have to approve it, and then we'll start to schedule you. I'm going to put in a note in my availability for my manager. This is my new spring class schedule. And send. Your availability was submitted for approval. The management on their back end of their system will get that availability sent in and then either approve it or deny it based on their needs. Once it's approved, you'll get a notification like this that says that it's been approved by the management, and be on the lookout for them getting ready to schedule you for shifts. Once they schedule you for a shift, it'll automatically update in your app. For now, I'm going to refresh my app as the management just scheduled or just published my new schedule. I see that Monday I'm off, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday I'm working, Friday I'm off, etc. If you look on the dialog bubble with the lock on it, if you click on that button, you'll be able to see any messages from your managers. Welcome to the team, enjoy your first day. Got it. Once you're in a shift, you can do a few things. You can release the shift on the bottom left, which in case of an emergency, like you're sick right before the shift or your car broke down, that won't give your management much time to find you a replacement, but it'll let them know that something's going on, even if you can't get a hold of them or only are going to voicemail. On the bottom right, you can swap a shift if this shift is sometime more in the future. Say, next Friday I remembered that I have to go to a wedding. Anybody that is also the same position as you, that is not working that day, you can select them and swap with them and submit the request over to your management. It's important to note that these are just requests. Until your management approves it, please plan on being at your shifts like they were happening. So I'm going to get out of this action, go back into my availability, and show you the last couple features of the app that you should know to get started. Within the availability, you can also request time off. Say, I'm going to a wedding in April, April 25th to the 28th, and I need that time off. Wedding season. You can send that. Your management will get that and then approve it, decline it, or adjust it, saying you can have partial of that time off or any adjustments. The last couple things in the menu bar that you should know is that you can also change any of those settings. Again, notifications, anything that is sent, there's a new schedule, your anything's been approved will go into notifications, and then roster, you'll be able to see your coworkers' information. That's it. Enjoy your new scheduling app.